Girl, this shit was hot, bro. Cause how? You just got a straight face. This is crazy. Everybody, I am Kina Kraves and I'm back with another video for y'all today. Y'all already know those regulars. If this is your very first time here, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And hey y'all, how y'all doing today? Now y'all hungry? I am. I think I am. Let's eat.
Yep.
Okay, y'all, we have Karen back by popular demand. Y'all been asking for Karen. Karen is back. Say hey, Karen.
Hey.
All right, y'all. So we are going to do the... Tell them what we're doing, Karen.
The Spicy Noodle Challenge.
We're doing the Spicy Noodle Challenge, y'all. We're going to see. And we also have 2 eggs here. So we are going to see who can finish first without drinking anything. We don't know who's going to win. It's not like a real big contest, but it's just a friendly challenge between me and my friend, okay? So we're going to say our grace and then we're going to eat. Amen.
Amen.
All right, so y'all, I have never had the 2-time spicy noodles. Never.
I told her she can't handle it because it's spicy for me and I'm Asian. And she said, don't be trying to play her.
Yeah, they hot. Look, so she just got finished cooking.
It's hot and it's temperature hot.
Oh, yeah.
Mind you, I'm used to spices, so...
Well, I mean, I like spicy stuff, but we're going to see. We just going to see. All right, you ready?
You want to take a drink first?
Yeah. All right. You ready?
Hold on, let me get this. Yeah, I don't think you realize this is a total of 2 pigs. We should have got more eggs.
This is my chopsticks, y'all. I don't know how to use them, but I'm gonna figure it out. It can't be that
hard. Make sure
hard.
it's even.
Yeah.
Look.
You ready?
Go. What's up, Kina? What's up, Kina?
Ooh.
What's up, Kina?
Oh my God. Yeah.
What's up, Kina? How you feeling?
I'm not feeling it.
Go ahead, Kina. Your head itch.
Oh my God.
Go ahead. Told you it's hot. I'm just supposed to drink nothing. You're not supposed to drink nothing.
I don't know what to do.
You
I don't know what to do.
You failed.
Oh my God. Yeah, okay.
What happened? I left the eggs in there too long.
Karen.
Go ahead, Kina. You said don't try to play, right? I tried to tell you what happened. Drinking and make it worse.
You been eating me fine? You eat it all the time?
No, I don't eat this all the time. I try to tell you what happened. Girl, don't waste no noodles.
What you want me to do with them then?
He's our friend and she's crazy!
Damn! Y'all.
Don't think about it, just eat it.
What? What you mean I don't think? Y'all, this hot. This ain't gotta be this hot.
The package said 2 times spicy.
But why anybody want this?
Oh my shit, I'm gonna get heartburn. You wanna do this at 12:36 a.m. Your butthole about to be pissed off at you.
Oh my gosh. I can't even focus. I can't even focus. I can't even focus. Why is it so hot? I thought I liked spicy. My tongue feel like, oh my God. Yeah, I can't do nothing.
This is crazy.
Come on, Kina.
What we going here?
Come on, Kina.
Oh,
Come on, Kina. You're almost there.
no, I'm gonna cry. Oh, breathe.
You know you're making it worse by eating ice, right? Move my chairs. Move my chairs. And then did that, you got 3 more packs downstairs.
Well, you can take home with you.
Yeah.
And then you swishing it around in the juice?
No. I did that? No? I just picked it up.
You did like that.
Yeah.
Is my tongue red? Well, I feel like somebody do my tongue like this. Oh my God, my tongue is still hot. Karen, this is painful. When is it gonna stop?
Maybe you should have got you some milk.
I don't even like milk.
I can't drink straight milk. Nope. And just think there's hotter stuff than this out there. 2 times spicy. Come on, Kina. I believe you.
My lip hot. Oh my God, why I got to be look hot?
It's your idea. And what I tell you, I tell you it's gonna be hot.
Move your hand, baby. Move your hand, baby. So, I got this left. I'm done. I can't eat no more.
You can.
The devil is a lie. Put your finger on the end of my tongue, cause I'm tormented in the flame. I'm tormented in the flame. I'm tormented in the flame. Put your finger in the water and cool my tongue, cause I'm tormented in the flame.
I wonder if Bree can handle it.
Breathe it in there. Breathe it.
The 2 times? The 2 times?
What you said, Pat, you had in the trash can? That wasn't that.
No,
What was that?
that was something else.
That one hot.
Not really. To me, it isn't.
I mean, so y'all listen. Listen, y'all, let me tell y'all something real quick. Whoo! I mean, spinning. It won't stop. It won't stop. It won't stop. I'm gonna stick my Texas Pete and my jalapeno. I will never. Girl, I seen B Love eat 6 of these, 6 packs.
Oh, hell no.
She ate 6.
She did it?
Yeah, the whole thing.
She said she was hungry, Colin.
But the heat, though. But she, yeah. 6 packs of 2 times spicy.
I ain't seen that episode.
Type it in. It was like 5 years ago when she did it. I just want the burner to stop. Can you take me to the emergency room? I ain't go to urgent care.
Y'all look.
Girl, you crazy as hell.
I'm gonna have heartburn like a
Oh, I ain't think about heartburn. My heartburn. Oh, about my damn tongue.
I feel it in my chin now. I ate it in almost 12 minutes.
This is the hottest stuff I ever tasted in my life.
Really?
You ain't eat hotter?
It's so bad.
It hurt.
Kina told me you can't hang. You can't hang, your weak ass tongue. You can't hang.
Talking shit.
If you got a weak tongue, you just say that.
Y'all, who y'all think won the challenge? Me or Kara? Put in the comments. Y'all, I could. I'm sorry. That's my ball.
Shitting me. Look, she done drunk her whole drink, y'all. Look.
It is like, Kara, what you doing? Is your mouth not burning? It's not burning?
Yeah, not really. Maybe my
Oh,
lip.
God. Okay, so the next time I do this challenge, I'm going to do it again. I'm going to practice. I'm going to eat like...
How you gonna practice?
I got to eat a little bit daily.
No. Can't think about it. Just eat it. Now you about to waste all that food and throw it away.
I want to thank everybody for tuning in, y'all. Y'all, I hit 1K. Thank y'all very much, y'all. Thank you, Kravers. Thank you, my Kravers, y'all. We are there. We hit 1K. Now we just striving on, climbing on to the top. Y'all said y'all miss Karen. I brought my friend on here, y'all. I knew she was going to kill me in this challenge because she loves spicy stuff.
Here.
Anything you want to say?
My lips is on fire. My tongue is on fire. But I'm not thinking about it.
She really sneaked this one over here, y'all. Because I lost. She won fair and square, y'all. I got to cook her a meal. Which that ain't no problem. I always cook my friend a meal.
What y'all want her to cook next time?
So I'm going to get my weight up on this. I'm going to start practicing. I'm going to buy some of the 2 times spicy sauce and just start adding a little bit and a little bit to my food because, baby, I don't like to lose. And I just lost fair and square. Nothing I can say.
Clearly.
I want to thank y'all for tuning in, my Kravers. Y'all have been awesome. Y'all have been great. Y'all, we're gonna live this year unapologetically. We're gonna do the things that we want to do to make us happy, y'all. And we ain't gonna worry about what nobody else has to say, because you know what? At the end of the day, the ones that mind, they don't matter. And the ones that matter, they don't mind. Stay crispy and crunchy, my Kravers. Tell a friend that we over here getting it in. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Peace.